There were times that in my life I feel a longing deep inside. My soul is searching for meaning. My heart is thirsty for your truth. My life is clouded with confusion. Lord, I have no one else but you. So here I am. Lord, I bring to you myself, even though I'm not that worthy, 'cause I'm a sinner. But even so, Lord, I bring to you my soul, knowing that you love me forever. Yes, I know that I'm not worthy to call you my Lord and my God. Lord, I'm searching for forgiveness. I can't live away from your love. My life is nothing without you. Lord, I want no one else but you. So here I am. Lord, I bring to you myself, even though I'm not that worthy, 'cause I'm a sinner. But even so, Lord, I bring to you my soul, knowing that you love me forever and always. Here I am. Lord, I bring to you myself, even though I'm not that worthy, 'cause I'm a sinner. But even so, Lord, I bring to you my soul, knowing that you love me forever.